As you can see, there's nobody coming in the front door for obvious reasons with all that's going on in the country and in the world right now. But that doesn't mean we're not going to sell cars. So I have a customer that was here about a week ago. There's a Suburban that they like. We've been going back and forth via text. And basically at this point, they're ready to buy the car. They just want to know, can we drop off the car to their house? Can we find a way to sign paperwork? Basically find a way for them not to have to come into the dealership to buy the car. And you know, we're here to accommodate them, so we're gonna get this done. This is the truck right here. It's a 2019 Chevrolet Suburban. It's one of our certified pre-owns. Just gonna squeeze in here. All right. Get the exact miles, which is 16,148. I'm gonna bring this for detail. We'll have it cleaned up. See if it needs fuel. It does need fuel. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna fill the car. We're gonna bring it to detail. I already got the majority of the information I need for this particular deal. Once we get them a grand total of everything, tax, motor vehicle, that sort of stuff, we're gonna send it over to them. They're gonna go to the bank. They're gonna get a certified bank check. They're gonna text us a picture of that check so we know it's made out correctly and it's all ready to go. At which point, everything will be printed up. I'm gonna drive it up to the house. We'll drop the truck off. They'll sign the paperwork. I'll take the check. I'll have someone follow me there to give me a ride home. And just like that, we'll have a spot delivery on site at a customer's location due to the virus situation that's going on. So, you know, even though business is slowing and not many people are coming in the door, people still need cars. You know, life still goes on, you know, so basically you find a way. And that's what we did today. We found a way. We're moving along. Everything's basically set except we're waiting for the vehicle to be finished being cleaned. So, you know, insurance is done, paperwork's all printed, ready to go. I got all the little highlights to know where to have the customer to sign because normally I don't handle paperwork, but you know, it's all pretty straightforward type stuff. So I will leave here soon and we'll get this car delivered. It's currently 1:40 and as of now, there has not been a customer in the showroom yet. But not to worry, because we have technology and with email, cell phones, texting, scanners, fax machines, and all the other various pieces of technology, we can still sell cars, we can deliver them to our customers, and we can get the job done. We are on the road. It's 2:07 in the afternoon. We're leaving the dealership. We're heading to the customer's house where we will sign paperwork, collect a check, drop off the vehicle, and have a very happy customer that did not have to come into the dealership to do all their, you know, to do their purchase. We were able to do it remotely. They only live about 3 towns away, so it's a nice easy shot just right up Route 10 here. If you're not familiar with the area, this is northern New Jersey. We are in what would be called probably like the I-80 corridor. We're just south of Route 80. And Route 10 here is where you're gonna see all your businesses like your Best Buys and Target and Costco. Got Capital Lighting here over on the left, which I don't know that anybody ever goes to Capital Lighting. You have all your food establishments, you know, sandwich shops, your Jersey Mike's, your Fridays, your Boston Markets, McDonald's, you know, literally everything. So right now at 2 o'clock in the afternoon, this is light as far as traffic. Normally it would be a lot busier. I'm looking to see if I can tell what's open and what's closed. Really can't tell from the road here. Here's a Volvo store. Looks like they're open for business. On the right hand side here, you'll see the Nissan store. A couple cars parked out front. It sure is crazy what's going on, you know. Time will tell us whether all of this was necessary or not. I think, I mean, what do you guys think? You know, you look at something like this, and if they keep the numbers down as far as who's infected and deaths and things like that, is it because of everything that they're doing and everything they're shutting down? or you know, was it ever really needed? You know, we really don't know. It's very very speculative. You know, you just don't know. So I guess, like you're seeing in the news, better safe than sorry. You know, take the aggressive actions and, you know, ride it out. Bowling alley's closed. Finish Line car wash is open, so if you need a car wash, they're good to go. I just heard on the news that GM is shutting the plants down, I think for 2 weeks. I got to imagine dealerships, you know, are going to be next. How could they not be, you know? It's crazy. It's real crazy. Let me finish my drive over to their house, maybe grab something to eat on the way back, some lunch, and you know, go about the rest of the day. All right, mission accomplished. The vehicle has been delivered. Paperwork is signed. I got everything with me. Did I lose the check? Ooh, no, I have the check. And PJ, our used car manager, is driving back, and he's treating me to something that I never had before, and I'm very excited. Here it is.
It is.
ChickfilA.
There's one of our customers.
Where? A Tahoe. No, it's not. It's a competitor.
Find out why.
Who is that? Randolph, New Jersey.
Sawyer Line.
No.
It is. Sawyer Line.
Oh, it is. They bought it used.
Why? Let me find out. Excuse me.
So here we are at ChickfilA. I have never had ChickfilA.
So happy for you.
PJ said it's a fantastic experience, to the point that I don't even have to worry about the menu. He's gonna order for me. I can't believe they're outside ordering on iPads. This is how they do it.
Yes.
When they first opened this, I would drive by on the highway here going home, and the line was like to the back of the parking lot. It was ridiculous. So excited.
Are you starving?
I'm hungry, but no, don't go crazy. You know. Here it is. When are we eating this, now or?
Yeah, right now.
Right.
Like
right now.
Pizza.
Here, park next to these dumpsters. Let's eat right here.
Let's go. We're not gonna wait.
Look at this.
Bring that back.
All right, so I'm gonna eat it and enjoy it and let you know what I think when I'm done. Look at this. It comes in a little pouch.
Okay, but I'm going.
Camera's going. Yeah, go ahead. Just took my first bite, and I gotta tell you, first bite in, this tastes like real chicken. It doesn't taste like fast food at all. So I'm already a believer, and I only had that much. That sandwich and the fries and everything were just absolutely fantastic. I love it. I'm a believer in Chick-fil-A. What do you guys think? Have you had it before? Let me know what your thoughts are, and what do you order when you go to Chick-fil-A, just in case I go back. We just had what? That was a fried chicken sandwich. It had a pickle and a bun, and it was very good.
The grilled chicken. Maybe.
The grilled chicken will be next. Sorry. I don't have anything.
People are gonna think they're catching off the video. You know, I haven't tried to believe you.
It's talking.
You're the same guy who sat across from me and told me you were vegetarian like a year.
I know.
Like it's.
Are you okay?
It sounds like we're dying.
I know.
It sounds like that's
What was in that food?
allergy.
I made it.